Guys, this is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. It's Wednesday. So let's just go straight to NASDAQ and US30. If you are not subscribed, before I continue, hit that subscribe, like, and share because I do these things every day, so I think they deserve to be seen by many traders out there who struggle with these things. So if you can just like, other people will be able to see it. So let's just start with NASDAQ today. Then I will end up with US30. So I already did my trend line and resistance. You can see that at the moment we are here. So I won't just waste your time. We are here, but I have thrown this thing so that you can see what's really happening at the moment. So actually we have this support and resistance, but we have these crazy moves. You can see the sell-offs because this is a 4 hour, but I think it's because maybe we are in the middle of this resistance and support. It means if we got somewhere here, or if maybe you sold somewhere here, obviously you were going to be safe. You see? So the best way at the moment is best to wait for the market to do its thing, unless if maybe we will go to a smaller time frame and draw something like this, then we can say we're still having a uptrend pushing higher. I hope you can see that. So, but at the moment we are still on a 4 hour time frame. So I hope you can see exactly what is happening. So let me just zoom a little bit. So you can see the market went up, but now the market is rejecting from this point. So let's go straight to a smaller time frame. So if you want to check other videos about this resistance, I have explained a lot about them because I do these things daily. So go check them. You will find whatever that you want. Something that you don't understand, I think you will find it there. So you can see from, let me just do this, then you can see a bigger picture. So this resistance has been here for some time. I think you saw there. Even here we have to draw it. So I think let's try to draw something like this if it does make sense. But from this one you can see it's respecting this support. You can even see here the market was unable to break this point even if we had this sell-off. So actually if you want to buy from this point, but I think it will be just a short time because the market is already at the center. The market can still just push lower. The market can still go lower, you see. So the best way, unfortunately, when we are here is to wait because we are around the center, unless if maybe around the market open we can see a bullish momentum, but it means our take profit will be around here, very close, because but it's not that close, but it's let me just say our resistance is very close, so you don't have to hold longer because the market can still sell off from this point. If the market doesn't break here, maybe we can see another sell-off. You see that? Yeah, that way it's how we're going to do. It's how you can analyze the market. Is very easy that way. So let's see if we can see something. We just try to see. Let me draw from this point. Trying to connect these things. Do they make sense? I don't know. We don't have to force these things. If they don't make sense, leave them like that. So it seems like we have something like this. I don't know if this makes sense, but let's go to a smaller time frame. I can say it makes sense even if we had the head on shoulder stuff, but I don't analyze the market with the head and shoulders and double bottoms. I don't do that. I just do straight trend lines and breakouts. That's what I do. But you can also analyze like that. There's no problem with that. So here on my analysis, I see something like this. It means now the market is going to play around this point. You see, so don't confuse yourself with this trend line and this ones. This one are very strong resistance and support. This one are the inner trend line and support. So when the market, for example, when the market does something like this, let's say the market is going up and down, up and down. So for you to get a nice entry, it means you will have the inner trend line and uh, uptrend line and support, whatever that you can do to get the nice entries. That's what we do. We call them the inner, but the outside one is very strong. So this one's they just making us to understand. You can see the market can still go like this. Let me remove this. The market can still go like this. Then after the market can go like that. Then the market will just go on a bigger picture. The market will be doing something like that. So, but for us to be safe, we have to have these lines. Then we can able to see when the market is creating moves like this. You see that? I hope you can see that. Mm, but here we are on a wedge, so you can just wait for the market to break here, then you can see. But I don't feel like you can just enter and buy somewhere here. I think if maybe this wedge, maybe we might see a sell-off or the market can push higher. But even if it pushes higher, I don't see the point why you should just force trade this. We are already around a sell zone here, so the best thing is to wait. Unless if the market breaks here, then we can say we can sell, or when it goes down like that, we can say we will wait for a nice buy somewhere here. So we don't chase the trade. We don't say we have to sell, we have to buy. No. If maybe this is the uptrend, we will wait for it around this point and we will buy. If it's here, we see it's coming down, we don't chase it and say we're going to sell. No, we don't do that. We wait for the market to reach this point and we buy. So we also reduce the chances of losing, you see, because when you chase the trades, you say we sell, we buy, we buy, we sell, you're gonna have a problem. Unfortunately, those books, WhatsApp, whatever, books and videos, sometimes they tell you where you should buy, where you should sell. But when you have a strategy, you should follow it. Then, if maybe it's an uptrend like this, you only buy. Then you just wait for the market to retest or breathe. Then you take those buys. But if you just chase the trades, you will be waiting for a sell, waiting for a buy, then actually you don't really know what you are doing. I'm not saying you won't make money, you will, but in the long run, you're going to pay that money, you're going to pay it back, you see. So let's go straight to to US30. I hope maybe you understood what can happen from this point. So let's go straight to US30 and see what's happening here. Okay, we are on US30, so it's 4 hour time frame, and we can see that actually our strongest support is here. You can see that this is our strongest support. When I draw this, it makes a very nice wedge, but even here we had this weak support. I think the market can go up, but the market can still go lower because of this. So, but anything can happen from that point. So let's just go straight to a smaller time frame and see what we can expect from there. You see, so you can see here the market was, let me draw this, the market was respecting those points. Let me zoom there. You can see, you can see that the market actually was struggling around this point. rejected from this point, even this point. Now it's playing around here, so it means that we can still have a nice buy. But if you draw something like this here, it means here you still have another sell zone. It means the market can still push lower. So what do we do from here? It means what you can do here is only short trades. If you buy, you will just get out around here, you see. But it seems like the market still want to push lower. I hope you can see that. I hope you can see that. Let's see. So here I think maybe we'll just wait. We also had a trade early around, I mean maybe 3 hours back we had a trade, was in profit, but small pips, maybe few pips, I mean. But now we had another one and we were out because the market just kept going lower. We thought maybe the market will just go up, but the stop loss was hit around here. So we are out at the moment. So it means that the market can still go high, respect this point if it doesn't respect this support. But if it does respect this point here, it means it will break this one, this resistance. If it breaks it, then we'll think about buying again. But you know, US30 doesn't react exactly as NASDAQ 100. It's very slow sometimes, but sometimes it's very fast, but not as fast as NASDAQ. So we'll just keep an eye on it. But if it breaks here, we'll think about going higher. But if it doesn't, it means we will be looking for this zone, this resistance. You can see that something like that, like this, might happen before the market push higher. So it means this area can be, this zone can be our resistance at the moment, so that if the market doesn't go higher than that, it means you are still on a sell momentum, on a bearish momentum. So we will rely on this support. You will be waiting for the market to reach here. So it means if you want to sell it around here. If you see a bullish candlesticks, a bearish candlestick taking over, then you can say I'm selling. But these things, guys, they will just go up one way or another. So the best thing is to be on the right side of the market. So I think maybe the market will still go high, but exactly expect this to happen. Whether it will break or it will just keep going down, but we expecting a retest from this point, then maybe we can say we'll have a nice buy. But from here, I think maybe it's because of the wedge, the market just playing around, and it's also pre-market. So we will wait for the market to open and see what is happening after that. Then we can say we have a nice buy or a sell. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, like and share. I have a WhatsApp group. Is $15 signals for NASDAQ and US30. We also have a new group for news trading, which is only $10. Please WhatsApp me or Telegram me. The details are on my description. This is Kenzo, Extra Hot Forex. I will see you on the next one.